In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward emails to multiple recipients in Microsoft 365 Outlook. We'll cover two practical approaches: forwarding a single message to several people right away, and setting up a rule so Outlook automatically forwards messages to multiple recipients for you. First, open Microsoft 365 Outlook and sign in. Head to your inbox and click the email you want to share so it opens. On the toolbar, choose Forward. If you don't see it immediately, look for the More or three dots menu and you'll find Forward there as well. In the To field, type the email addresses of everyone you want to receive the message, separating each address with a semicolon. That separator is important. Outlook uses semicolons to recognize distinct recipients. You can also click into the address picker to select names from your contacts. If you're pasting a list, do a quick scan for extra spaces or trailing punctuation and make sure there are no typos. Add any context you want to include above the original message. Attachments from the original email usually carry over when forwarding. If you removed something by mistake, you can reattach it before sending. Double check the subject and recipients, and when everything looks right, click send. That's all you need for a one-time forward to multiple people. Now, let's automate this with a rule. This is useful if you routinely forward certain kinds of emails to a group. From Outlook, click File to open Settings. Choose Account Info, then navigate to Mail and open Rules. Select Add New Rule to begin. Choose the option to apply the rule on messages you receive. Next, you can either skip conditions to apply it to all incoming mail or set specific conditions like a particular sender, keywords in the subject, or messages sent to a certain mailbox. When you're satisfied, click Next. For the action, select Forward it to People or Public Group. In the recipient picker that appears, add all the people you want to receive the forwarded messages. You can select from your address book or type addresses manually, again separating multiple recipients with semicolons. Confirm your choices, then click Finish to create the rule. A few quick tips before you test it. Some organizations restrict automatic forwarding to external addresses for security. So if your recipients are outside your company, you may need admin approval. To avoid loops or clutter, consider setting conditions carefully and testing with a small set of messages. Finally, make sure the rule is turned on and send yourself a test email to confirm everything works as expected. And that's it. Two clear ways to forward emails to multiple recipients in Microsoft 365 Outlook.